What's up, Panda Nation? This is Panda, and today got some more batteries that we need to keep us going on the live streams and the documentaries. So I picked these up on Amazon for a good deal. I leave the links when I can in the description so you guys can pick them up. It's a windy day here in San Francisco, so I do apologize for the wind noise, but let's just unbox it. So they're basically two 10,000 mAh batteries. All right, because now we got to record everything that we get from Amazon now. So here are the power banks. They are in this box, particularly that says Miady. It says 2-pack, 10,000 mAh smartphone and tablet battery. This is a power bank, so take it with a grain of salt. But please do subscribe, like, and share to the content. And if you do like the content, please hit the notification bell icon. Here are the US micro USB cables. Here's one power bank. They're pretty small and light, actually. Look at that. White, small, elegant, beautiful. All right, this is 10,000 milliamps. All right, this is more like it. And then, all right. And then there's a black one. See? Black, small, pocket size, 10,000 milliamp hours. And the booklet that explains everything in the box, yeah, blah blah blah, but it only came with one cable. It came with a micro USB for the black one, or it did not come with a Type-C cable. That's unfortunate. But anyways, but for 20 bucks, this is a good deal. Let's see. But with that said, everyone, quickly made in this video, I'm shooting this on the Pro Movie app on my iPhone, so take that with a grain of salt. And as I said before, please do subscribe, like, and share. If you guys want to hit the notification button icon bell, make sure that you click all, so you get all notifications on what I'm doing on the next live stream. But I need to charge these and see how much battery juice they actually have left, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.